This is a video of Briella, an 8-year-old, starting a Honda lawnmower with easy start, and it also has the ROTO STOP, so I think that might help with starting because you're not spinning the blades while you're trying to start it. Here she goes. Let's see if she can start it.
Daddy, I showed you I can do it. Because I think you're bigger. It's so
It is. Now start it one more, try it again. Hopefully you can turn the switch back on. It was completely cold, so that's part of the problem. So you can see it's pretty easy to start. That's all I wanted to show you.